Hi guys, today is a product about AgroSense AI. Our team members are myself Fayaz, Ashwin, Gifta, and Divya. And our team name is Venus. So our problem statement is about solving what we are going to solve. Agriculture today faces many challenges. Farmers often don't know which crop is best for their land. Decisions depend on multiple factors like soil type, rainfall, temperature, location. Wrong crop selection leads to low yield, financial loss, resource wastage, water, fertilizers. So the crop problem is, how can we help farmers? Choose the best crop scientifically using data instead of guesswork. And our idea of the project, what we have gave the solution to this problem. Our idea is AgroSense AI, an intelligent system that takes field condition as input, use artificial intelligence, gives instant crop recommendation. In simple words, it acts like a digital agriculture expert, AI agronomist. And the working principle, how it works: input from user, soil type are sandy, loamy, clay, etc., and the rainfall in millimeter size, and the temperature in Celsius, and the location of the farm area, and the processing. Now, it main intelligence of it. Your system uses a machine learning model, neural network, a four-layer deep learning model trained on 2200 plus crop data samples, classifies into 22 crop types. And our structure is input layer 7 features, hidden layers are 64,032 32 16 neurons, yeah, REL activation, output layer 22 crop softmax, and our output gives best crop recommendation, confidence score, accuracy, reason for recommendation, additional farming tips. And our key features of AgroSense AI: the first, smart crop recommendation, suggests best crop based on condition, uses data driven prediction instead of assumption. And our AI agronomist chatbot, farmers can ask fertilizer advice, pest control, irrigation tips, works like virtual farming assistant. And a live neural network (ML engine) runs directly in browser, no server needed, shows accuracy, loss graph, training progress, and uses TensorFlow JS. Multi-language support supports multiple Indian languages, helps farmers from different regions. And our confidence score shows how sure the model is based on the softmax probability. And the crop reference table displays soil requirement, rainfall range, temperature, and the season Kharif or Rabi. User-friendly interface. Our user is very friendly to the users. Sliders for rainfall and temperature, clean dashboard, instant result. And the technology we have used: HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the front end, and the TensorFlow.js for the machine learning. Neural networks, AI chatbot integration. And our advantages of the system: reduce farmer uncertainty, improves crop yield, save water and resources, provides instant decision making, accessible, runs in browser. And our future scope: real-time weather API integration, IoT sensor for soil data, mobile app version, government agriculture support integration. AgroSense AI transforms traditional farming into smart farming by combining data, AI, and user-friendly technology to help farmer grow smarter and harvest better.